What's up, guys? Back at it again with another video. I know it has been a while, but now if you come over here, we got the carbon fiber mirrors. As you can see, I have the stock ones, which doesn't look really good. This one looks better. We already did the other side, but just wanted to leave one on so you can see the difference between them. I think it looks really good. Alright, so if you come over here, I'll show you. We don't have all the tools necessary, but we have the tools. So over here we have a needle nose, just in case anything gets really hard. Flathead screwdriver and a T10, I think it is, or T20, something like that. And over here is your phone in case you break something or something's really hard, you can Google it real quick. Alright, so let's start. I've seen some people tilt the mirror this way. Nah, let's go over here. Come this way. So
Okay.
Alright, so some people like to flip the mirror up, but I don't like doing that because it sounds really bad. So what I like to do is you push this side in, and it's gonna have a pin here and a pin here. So you just try to put your hands in there and slightly pull your way. Okay, this one's a little harder. There you go. Alright, so you can see one here. That's one, that's two. Once you open it, you gotta be really careful you don't fuck this up. This is for the
language.
Oh, okay. You gotta be really careful not to break it. This is for the heat. So you have blue, red, and this little connector in this corner. So you're just gonna wiggle that right there. Yeah. Okay, so you're just gonna wiggle it out until it pops out. Okay, there goes the red one. Wait. Blue one is always harder and it hurts. So if you have gloves,
You don't know.
even better. Try to do it a way that they can still see what I'm doing, but
It makes it harder.
yeah.
You don't know.
Oh wow, this one's in there.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Alright, let's try with this one. See? You know.
Holy shit.
I don't want to break it, so okay, so once you do that, then have somebody hold it. I got Rolly over here.
What's up?
That was weird, but okay.
I know. I was like, okay.
Alright, then this has a little clip. Let me see if I can get it out, and then I'll show you guys. I like to use the flat head for that. I have a really big one. If you have a smaller one, it will be even easier.
Or like pins.
So you just push it down. Wait. Come on. There you go. So you push down and pull, and it will release. And be careful. And then that's it. Glass bar is out. We're gonna put it in here for now. I'll be careful behind you.
Don't keep putting it. Put it in your seat. Put it in the 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 seat. Inside the car.
Let's find it.
Lo voy a pisar. I'm gonna tell you now. I'm gonna back up with the camera, not even paying attention, and I'm gonna step on it.
You better. Alright. Now that that's out, you're gonna need the T20, T10. I don't remember what it was.
You can check.
Does someone say it over here?
Yeah.
T10. Okay, so it's a T10. T10, and as you can see, there's a screw here and a screw here. You're gonna take those two screws off, like so. Later on, there's two more little screws that you're gonna take off, but the thread wear is different, so you gotta be careful not to get those confused. Which are for the light, if your car brings the light. So I know some people don't have them, but yeah.
Ese está más perdido.
Alright, so there's two. Alright, now
Is that
once
a
you
torque?
do-
Is that a torque wrench? How much did you pay for that? Where? From where? ¿Qué más cae? ¿Qué más cae? Hockey. Oh.
Actually, there's 3. I forgot to say. There's one more over here. The tread is different. Here, let me see if I can show you the other one.
AKM. So francés, cuidado.
As you can see, the tread is different on them. Is it focusing on this?
Yeah.
So the tread's different.
Oh,
So
actually,
be
no.
careful not to get them
Yeah, no,
confused.
I got it.
Alright, now we have those 3 bolts off. It should come off. This is where the hard part comes. So you gotta wiggle it, pull, and push, and pull towards you. So this big part will come back.
Yeah.
Right?
Back
We'll be,
and top.
I'm gonna actually need him, so we'll be back when this comes off. Okay, so it came off. And it didn't sound good. But, okay, once you do that, you just lift it really careful. And then there's another pin here, which is for the driver assistant sensor. That's the blind spot. And then you have the light, which is another sensor. And there's another screw over here. Okay, once you do that, let's take this one out first. Let's see. Okay, there, that's one. Okay, that clip, it's in there. Ah! Leave me alone. Okay, that cannot be it, bro. I just pushed that with all my fucking...
You didn't take that off. You only took the screw off last time. Right, I did.
Oh, yeah,
Actually.
yeah, yeah.
Dale.
Get the T10.
You get the teacher telling me what to do.
We got Christian over here.
Yeah.
Uh,
He's gonna be
member.
he's gonna be in the videos more often. We're changing out his Brembos.
Sir.
Ahora sí se te fue.
No, it's in there.
Yo, wait, let me get my flag here. It's magnetic.
Yeah, ready, go.
Oh, you got it. Oh, let me see. Dude, let me see this. That shit is clutch.
Okay, now the light. And it's out.
There we go.
Now, another tricky part. This. You have to push the living hell out of this thing, so it has a clip over here,
You can see it.
but
There's a clip right
there. But that clip, you're not gonna take it off, you're not gonna push it. Don't try, you might break this trying to do that. It's really fragile. What you just do is try to push the actual sensor or driver system, whatever you want to call it, down and push. So, alright, this is gonna take 2 people.
Yep.
Well, actually, give it to him.
Yeah,
Go.
one day.
Alright, here. You'll do this.
You're gonna do this and then you're gonna- Ready?
There you go. Okay, take it out.
Yeah.
There you go. And
You can't hold that
break
shit. You can't make it look
And
down.
we didn't break it. So that's the old one out. If anybody wants to buy it, hit me up.
Just hit me up, you know.
Yeah. New one.
For sale.
You just try to mash it. It'll go like this. And you just slightly push it back in there. There you go. Just like that. And it's inside now. Okay, then what you want to do is you're gonna come this way, try to get all the wires in, and you put the light first. The light has a little track on the bottom that you gotta align with this little lip over here, and then you just slide it in.
Okay.
And Christian's fixing his car, so.
Guys, I gotta start on the other side.
Okay, hold on. Now I forgot what I was doing. Dude, my finger hurts. Disclaimer: I caught my finger really good the other day. It's right there. It hurts. like something that I was gonna say, but I didn't say it.
Because we're PG-13.
This is a child.
Fucking acorn landed on me.
That's for good luck.
Scared the Scared the
Scare the quack.
You gotta put the quack sound every time we curse.
The whole video is just gonna be quack, 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 quack. Oh my god. Alright, so Roland's not doing a good job showing, but what I'm doing right now is putting this screws which holds the light, you know, the light back in place.
And this is the back of his knuckle. We should get Morgan Freeman to narrate.
Yeah, right? That wouldn't be a bad idea.
As he inserts the screw.
Okay,
These are
now
trained professionals.
you gotta be careful with these wires. Don't forget they're there. Okay, so now that's in place.
We gotta get this side in first.
There you go. Yeah, okay. So now it's kind of in place. There's a little off over here, little off on the bottom. What I learned is try to put this side. There's a clip in here inside. There's 2 clips in this side. Try to put those first and then work the bottom, and then the top would just fall into place. Alright.
Let's see if I can look at it from here as you do it.
Okay, so
On camera it looks like it's almost already in.
yeah, but the bottom part is not. So it's not the best sound in the world, but
It makes all the wrong sounds.
yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, hold on. Let's do it this way more.
Still gonna do this one.
Come on, get in there. Alright, so after fighting with it for way too long, because I don't know what happened to the side, we wouldn't be able to put this in, and then we noticed that there was a clip that wasn't broken, but it was bent, so we had to like do some magic in there. It works, looks good, it gets a point. Now it comes to the part where you have to put this back, and the way that goes is this one little clipper goes in like that. Then it was right over here, and blue over here. Or at least that's what we think it is. If you're not sure, I always take a picture of it before you take it off, so you know where it goes or what goes where. Then try to like align this too with the clips, so you're 100% sure it's where it's supposed to be. So I got one there, one here, and then you just push it back. Be careful where you push. You don't want to push too hard and then break it. And that's it. That's it. Now you just gotta clean it off and you'll be able to see it. There it is, carbon fiber mirror.
Try to cover the whole car.
Now it matches. Oh, actually, I didn't tell you guys about this. So that's probably I'm gonna make a whole new video with it. But I got the R6 front bumper in it now. I did the little carbon fiber package. So like I have the carbon fiber side scoops for the brakes. I think there's an oil cooler in that side, and then the little carbon fiber in the front. I'm gonna get a little carbon fiber lip to put in the front. But that's the car, guys. It looks pretty good. Let me know in the comments down if you guys like it or not, and see you in the next one.